Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 2, will presentation about population structure. Before we start our presentation, we will introduce ourselves. First, Dwi Cahyo Budi Bakti Bumi with student number 48. Then Ismi Afla Almariah with student number 51. A population is a collection of similar individuals who live in an area and have certain structural traits that are not found in their constituent individual. Population can also be defined as a collection of organisms with a number common characteristic found in the same area. There is no barrier that prevent individual members from interbreeding freely or with others when heterosexual individuals are found together. Population structure is a population composition that includes density, dispersal, geographic range, and metapopulation structure, age structure, sex ratio, genetic composition, and social insight. Then density. Population density is the magnitude or parameter of the number of individual or biomass per area or volume of habitat. For example, there are 200 trees per hectare. Larger population may be more stable than smaller population because they're likely to have greater genetic variability and thus more potential to adapt to change in the environment through natural selection. Population density can be measured from multiple density of number and biomass density. Dispersal. Species dispersion pattern or distribution pattern refer to how the individuals in a population are distributed in space at given time. The individual organisms that make up a population can be more or less equally spaced, dispersed randomly with no predictable pattern, or clustered in groups. These are known as uniform, random, and clumped dispersion patterns respectively. First, uniform dispersion. In uniform dispersion, individuals of a population are spaced more or less evenly. One example of uniform dispersion comes from plants that secrete toxin to inhibit growth or nearby individuals, a phenomenon called allelopathy. We can also find uniform dispersion in an animal species where individuals stake out in different territories. Second, random dispersion. In random dispersion, individuals are distributed randomly without a predictable pattern. An example of random dispersion comes from dandelions and other plants that have wind-dispersed seed. The seed spread widely and sprout where they happen to fall, as long as the environment is favorable, has enough soil, water, nutrient, and light. Then, clumped dispersion. In a clumped dispersion, individuals are clustered in groups. A clumped dispersion may be seen in plants that drop their seed straight to the ground, such as oak trees, or animals that live in groups, school of fish, or herd of elephants. Clumped dispersion also happen in habitats that are patchy, with only some patches suitable to live in. Then, geographic range and metapopulation structure. Geographic range describes the spatial area where a species is found. Some species have a wide range while others live in a very limited area. For example, the range of the leopard or Panthera pardus encompasses more than 20 million square kilometers across Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Geographic range are influenced by both abiotic and biotic factors. Abiotic factors that influence geographic range are often related to climate. Prominent examples include air temperature and snow depth. Biotic factors are interaction between species such as competition and predation. Abiotic and biotic factor are often considered across the array of subdiscipline of geographic range, niche, range age, body size, dispersal, physiology, local range boundaries, heritability, extinction, exotic species, species distribution models, and climate change. For example, interannual fluctuation in abiotic and biotic factor cause expansion and contraction at range edge of geographic distribution. Some of the most dynamic component of a geographic range. Metapopulation is a group of population of a species that occupies several habitats between habitats that occur migration carried out by this population. Physically, metapopulation consists of extinction and colonization. Overall, metapopulation is generally stable to control population abundance due to immigration. Individuals also emigrate to small population to save those population from extinction. Subpopulation that develop with different migration from the type of metapopulation models. The metapopulation model commonly used in landscape consists of the following 5 types: classic level, mainline island, patchy population, non-equilibrium, and intermediate case.
Age structure. Age structure is defined as a proportion of the population into various age categories at any given point in time. The individuals of a population can be divided into pre-reproductive or called young, reproductive called adult, and post-reproductive called old groups. It can simply be distinguished over 3 types of age structures of a population. The first one is expanding or rapidly growing population. This population has a high proportion of infant and children, 0 until 14 years old of age group. It is called the young population. Here, the birth rate is high and the death rate is low. The second is stable population. This population consists of adults of reproductive age. In this group, the birth and death rate are equal. And the last one is declining population. This population has more old people with low birth rate and high death rate. Sex ratio is comparison between males and females in a population. Sex ratio is calculated by comparison between the number of male population with the number of female in an area in a given time. It is expressed in many male population per 100 women. The symbol PL is the number of male population and the symbol PP is the number of female population. The sex ratio of the population affects and is affected by birth, immigration rates, date, and emigration rates. It is measured as the ratio of the number of individuals of one sex to the other sex, or the ratio of allocation in each. The production of males and females in a ratio of 1:1 is generally the most common evolutionary stable strategy. Genetic composition. The genetic composition of a population can broadly be defined as the amount and distribution of genetic variation within and between populations. Natural selection and some of the other evolutionary forces can only act on heritable traits, namely an organism's genetic code. Because alleles are passed from parents to offspring, those that confer beneficial traits or behavior may be selected for, while deleterious alleles may be selected against. Change in allele frequencies that are identified in a population can shed light on how it is evolving. In addition to natural selection, the frequency of population alleles and genotypes may change by genetic drift, gene flow, mutation, non-random mating, and environmental variance. Another population structure is the social insect. Eusociality is the family selection stage of the harshest form of self-sacrifice in nature, often found in social insects such as bees, termites, and ants, where parent insects feed and keep a number of organisms in colonies that can breed. Social insects, one of the many species of insects that live colonized and exhibit 3 characteristics: group integration, division of labor, and overlapping generations. Social insects are distinguished in structure, function, and behavior in castes. The main one being reproductive is the queen, and sterile is workers and soldiers. That's all the presentation from our group. We would like to apologize if there's any mistake. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any question, let's discuss on Spada Forum. Thank you.